Where does mastery begin? With the skills that shape industries and futures. Step inside. A world where every detail of your craft comes alive. The future of skill training. Aura by Skillveri. Structured lessons. From first arc to mastery. Every process, every gun, precisely tracked. Aligning reality and simulation. Guided by precision. Every motion refined. Every pass brought closer to perfection. See beneath the surface. Every layer analyzed, every weld understood. Precision data that makes progress visible. Scale training without losing the personal touch. Compare, evaluate, guide. See progress as it happens. Switch between learners instantly. Mastery doesn't stay in one place. It travels with you, from one space to another, from skill to skill. Always within reach. Always evolving. Skillveri.